Today we are making sweet rice. In Urdu we call this Mutanjan. Before we start this very tasty dessert recipe, please subscribe to our channel Cooking and Style. Now let's start the recipe. First we are soaking rice for 20 minutes. Soak 2 cups of rice. After this, we are going to boil some water. Add 2 cardamons into the boiling water. And then after this, add half a teaspoon of salt into the water. Then add the soaked rice into the water. Make sure to mix the boiling rice properly. And then cover it and let it boil for some time. Rice is boiled after 10 minutes. This is undercooked rice. Drain it and keep it aside. Next, we are going to make the shira for the rice. First, add 200 grams of butter into the pan. Let this butter melt. And then also add 3 cardamons. Add 2 cups of sugar into this butter. Then after this, add 2 tablespoons of water or milk. This is your choice. Make sure to mix it properly together. More ingredients for the shira are nuts, almonds, coconuts. We already soaked these in water. Now make sure to mix it until it is soft. And cook this properly until the water dries. And then add the rice. Make sure to mix it properly well. Also make sure to mix it carefully so that the rice does not break. Cook the rice for 6 to 7 minutes. Cook it until the water dries, and then after this, add the nuts. Make sure to mix the nuts into the rice properly. On top of the rice, then add food coloring. This is orange food coloring dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. Now we are going to add green food coloring. Yellow food coloring. And red food coloring. After this, add 1 tablespoon of kavira water. After this, cover the rice on low heat for 10 minutes to cook it. After 10 minutes, the rice is now ready. Now mix it very properly so that all of the food color mixes into the rice. This very tasty and yummy sweet rice is now ready to serve. Make sure to mix in the food coloring very properly. Alhamdulillah, the rice is now ready. On top here we are adding rasgulla. This is a very delicious sweet dessert recipe. If you have not already subscribed to our channel Cooking and Style, please subscribe. Press the bell icon to be notified of when we upload new videos. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment down your opinions on this recipe in the comment section down below. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Make sure to like the video. Allah Hafiz, thank you for watching this recipe. We hope you enjoyed it.